and I wanted to see if it's worth it to spend $25 months and up. When I did subscription before from this company, it was a much smaller product. Welcome back to my channel. What we're doing today is we're doing a comparison Ipsy versus Boxy charms, because this is my first time ordering this company for a monthly subscription. Ipsy one is this one. I used to have a monthly subscription from them, then I stopped probably like 4 years ago, but I wanted to try the Boxy charm and I wanted to see if it's worth it to spend $25 months and up. You can actually choose to do the cheapest one or expensive monthly subscription. The great thing about the subscription is that some of the makeup you won't see. It's kind of like a surprise, so it's like a Christmas all over every month. That's how I feel about it. But anyway, I haven't opened this one, guys. This one came in yesterday, and this one did came like a week ago, and I wanted to wait because I know I'm gonna have this. I haven't seen what inside in this. Anyway, let's get started. So I'm going to start on Ipsy. When I did subscription before from this company, it was a much smaller product, but it seems like they are upgraded their monthly subscription, like their items, because before it's kind of like the sample style, but this one seems like they are bigger, like the full size now. This is the bag. It's a cute pink. I love pink. The bag came inside the KUSH mascara, a milk makeup. Ooh, this is a good mascara. I believe that this one is probably like $29. Let's see. It's pretty heavy too. This is really nice. Made in Italy. These are really good. That's nice. I like this. Okay, the next one is the FENTY Beauty Longwear Pencil Eyeliner. I really like FENTY, guys. Oh, I have this. I will show you guys this. See? This is mine, and this is what they sent me. They are really good. I believe this one maybe $11 or like $15, something like that. This is really nice. Rose Oil Petal Gloss. This is the lip gloss. Let's see. Wow, look at how beautiful. It's so pretty inside. It's really nice. I like it. What next? Brushes. It's the beginner brushes. It's a really nice set, guys. Look, you have the blender, you have the contour, the liner, and you have this blush. So, and it's from Shayna B, Miami or something. Never hear the name brand, but it seems like it's really good brushes, and it's very soft. Ooh, look at this. This one is the Sakura and Sage Vegan Eyeshadow and Blush Palette. This is really nice, and it said over here it's a vegan, no tax, no mineral oil, no paraben, no gluten. That's a really nice color. You have contour, your blush, and this is a beautiful color for summer. So this is a really good palette. Overall, the Ipsy is a good, because this one I paid $25 for monthly subscription, and you can cancel that anytime. It's worth more than $25, so it's really worth it, and they gave you a really good product. Now is the Boxy charm, guys. Let's check it out what inside on this one. The Boxy charm I paid $25, so I just wanted to let you guys know what inside is this one, the Queen palette. Oh my god, this is a very bright color, really nice to play for makeup. The next one is my daily dose of Up Lip Smooth and Lift. This one is the skincare made in Japan. This is actually have a really good ingredient. It tells in the back, so I was reading what inside in this one. Looks really nice. I never had one of this, so I can't tell you guys how good, but it looks like what the description said there. It looks really, really good skincare. So I have the beads inside. The third items in this box is Cosmetic Day and Night. This is the one. This is what inside. I really like the color because they have that not too bright color. There's a lot of matte and shimmer that you can mix together. And the fourth one is MURAD. This product, I know this, and MURAD is actually a really good skincare. This is a full size. This Boxy charm, I'm already impressed because they do give you a very expensive items and a full size. Fifth items is the from MELLOW liquid lip gloss. Oh, this is a nice color. Look at that.
Wow!
It's a very good natural color. Let's try this. It is very natural, guys, and it's really good for summer, or it's really good for everyday, and it's really lightweight as well too. Next one is the eyeshadow lift. Oh, look at that. This is a really nice one, and it is also vegan. The color is very vibrant. I'm gonna get it closer. It's rainbow. It has the scent too. It changes color. Can you guys see? I can see like a purple, green. This is cool. But anyway, this is the number 6 items that in this box. That's really hard comparing about this two because both of them have such a good product inside. All I can say that the Boxy Charms has the very expensive and unique items that they're giving you. I was very surprised about receiving this box and seeing this amazing product inside. At the Etsy one, like I said earlier, they actually upgraded their product. It used to be a very tiny one that they send it to you, and now it's a full size and a really good item. And I wanted to show you there's another Etsy that I got, but it's more like skincare. So let me open that and you guys can see that it's not just a makeup that you guys are getting from the Etsy. So this one, it's also more like skincare. This one is also from Etsy. I did already open this one, so just to let you guys know. So I'm going to start with moisturizer. I'm going to start with moisturizer. This one is from Overdew. Can you guys see? I have tried this one before. I think I still have this one downstairs. I stopped using it. It's nothing bad. It's just I have a new skincare. This one is really good if you have a dry skin. This is a really nice, really smooth moisturizer. It smells really good too. This one I haven't tried from Sela. It's a cream supreme, and this is a body hand cream. Hand and body lotion. Next skincare, guys, it's Kali You or something. This is the one. This one is a good day start with coffee. This is for normal and dry skin. It's really nice. The fourth skincare is from Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. Is this from THISWORKS? This skincare, guys, it's best for when you're going to sleep because it really does help your skin moisturize in the evening, especially guys when you are ready for a resting day. When you wake up in the morning, it will be really soft. The last skincare I'm showing to you guys is from Kate. This one is the Exfolikate cleanser. They actually put the C over there, so that's the way I pronounce it. I already know this one. That's a really good. And this one is a gel cream. I haven't tried this one before, and it seems like it's a really good skincare as well too. Use it in the morning and evening. for the evening, of course, cleaning up your face, your makeup, put your serum, and then put this to your face all the way to your neck. And the same thing to do in the mornings. I'm gonna try this one. And then, oh, what is this one? Wow, this one is mascara that came with the skincare set. And this is from BECKHAM. I love BECKHAM product. This is a glass mascara, guys. This is a really nice, look at the brush. That's a really nice brush. But anyway, that's all the skincare that I'm showing you guys from Ipsy. The Ipsy actually does give you guys a full size, a beautiful skincare that you guys need. When I did my subscription 2 weeks ago, they actually ask you what your skincare type, if you're dry, your combination, your oily, stuff like that. For the makeup, the same thing too. So they did a survey for you before they sent you a product, so which is a really nice. If they don't do that, you're receiving something like you probably might not using it, or something like you don't like it. But anyway, guys, that's the review for the Ipsy and Boxy charms. I hope you guys like my comparison, and I'll see you guys for the part 2. So it's gonna be 4 different subscription that we're gonna go talk about it, what they have, and then so check it out, guys. Etsy.com and then BoxyCharms.com as well to see if you guys like it. And so I see you guys for the next video. Bye.